welcome to Fabric by Singhania. If you're looking for really nice summer wear fabrics, we've got the top 4 collections in it. Now here our first fabric is in a nice raw silk fabric. The color of this is in a nice pista green color and the embroidery is done in nice white and beige shades, which gives a really minimal and beautiful look. To create any kind of menswear kurta or any kind of sherwanis as well, this fabric would be perfect for you. You can see how beautiful this is and it would be just amazing for the wedding season. Now another shade of nice Chanderi Mal cotton that we have here is in a nice pastel color. Now this pastel pink color is so subtle yet it looks so beautiful. Now if you can create any kind of co-out sets or you want to create dupattas, this fabric would look really good on you. You can see the embroidery work that has been done in nice red and yellow shades, and you can see the small light sequin work that has been done, which is just amazing. Now here this is one of our exclusive collections. We have got a great set of Chanderi Mal cottons here at Fabric by Singhania, one of which is this nice pastel blue shade. As you can see how beautiful and soft this is on your skin. Chanderi Mal itself is a very soft fabric, so creating any kind of outfits out of this fabric would be perfect. And all over it you can see this embroidery work which has been done in nice pastel colors, and you can see light sequin work which is just amazing. Now this one is in a nice off-white shade which is perfect if you want to create any summer dresses or summer outfits. Now the color itself is really nice, very feminine and very beautiful. All of the subtle English roses that have been digitally printed makes it look really beautiful and very elegant. So if you want to create any kind of sari, suit sets, dupatta, this fabric would look really beautiful on you. Now here are our shades of nice organza fabric. Organza is also one of the top fabrics you can use in summer. You can see this nice vibrant shade of yellow which is perfect for this summer because of the colors being so light, and the fabric itself is so lightweight and airy. You can drape it into any kind of blouse pieces or any tops or long frocks you have in mind. Any summer dresses you want to create, it would give a nice modern touch to it. And there are beautiful jasmine kind of flowers that have been printed all across it. All of this is digitally printed, which is just perfect. Now another nice shade of silk organza we have here is in a nice pastel baby pink color. It looks very beautiful, it looks very feminine. You can create nice shirts, co-out sets, any kind of top and pant that you have in mind. This fabric would be perfect to recreate. You can see all of these vibrant yellow flowers that are there in rose shapes. It's perfect to create any kind of summer looks. Now here we have this really beautiful silk organza fabric. This is also very soft and textured, and at the same time it's very lightweight and breathable. To create any kind of blouse pieces or saris as well, this fabric would be perfect. You can see the color, nice light red color with nice green floral work that has been done. It makes it look really tropical and very different. You can also create nice co-out sets with this kind of silk organza fabric. Now another color in that kota fabric that you saw is this pastel pink color. All over it you can see this nice mirror foil work which has been done in colors of yellows, pinks, dark pinks, which makes it look very fun and bright. Perfect to create any kurtis or suit sets in this nice pink color. We have another yellow color shade in this kota fabric. Now here we have this really beautiful lightweight and breathable kota fabric. It is one of the perfect fabrics for summer because of how lightweight and see-through also it is. So to create any kind of kids wear kurtis as well or lehengas, this fabric would look really beautiful. You can see the pastel blue color and you can see all of this fun colors of yellow, pink, dark pink with foil work, which makes it look really different and unique. Now another fabric that we have is a nice tussar fabric. Tussar fabrics are perfect if you want to create any kind of menswear kurtas, a vest coat, any shirt as well. So this fabric is in a nice grey color, and all over it you can see these beautiful embroidery work that has been done in a nice thread work in rose shades, and it is very beautiful and minimal. Now here we have this really nice tussar fabric. It's in a nice rich texture and it's light and breathable too. So if you want to create any kind of sherwanis or kurtas for the wedding, this color would be perfect as well for menswear if you want to go for nice pastel shades too. Here we have all of this gold zari work which has been done and light gold sequin work also. You can see how beautiful this is, and there is a little bit of thread work too. It has everything that you want, from zari work, embroidery to sequin work. Here we have this really beautiful purple Banarasi fabric. All over this you can see this nice gold zari work that has been done in floral work. Perfect to create any kind of menswear collection outfits. It can be a kurta, it can be a vest, it can be a modi jacket. Anything with these Banarasi fabrics would look really beautiful. During the summer season, pastel shades are in, and all the menswear also should not be that boring. That is why we've got you covered with this nice light blue pastel shade Banarasi fabric. Perfect because of the zari work that you can see on it. It's done in nice gold zari work, and you can see these colors of red, yellow and white, which looks really beautiful and different. So the fabric itself is perfect to create any kind of modi jacket, vest or any sherwani too. This fabric would look very royal yet very minimal. We have this really nice raw mango fabric. It is in a nice shade of purple color, which is just perfect because you know how luxurious and royal this color looks. All over this you can see the small booty work that has been done in zari gold work. It's perfect because of how beautiful this is and minimal too. So to create any kind of blouse pieces with this fabric would be perfect. Now here we have this really nice kanchi tissue fabric that is in a nice silver color. It's perfect because of how beautiful the vibrant shades of embroidery has been done on it. Nice floral work, birds, it looks really different and natural as well. To create any kind of blouses or if you want to create a lehenga set, kanchi tissue would be the perfect fabric for you, which is very exclusive here at Fabric by Singhania. All the menswear collection out there for the shadi season is getting really drab and very boring. And that is why I've got you covered with these perfect fabrics which will be wonderful in this wedding season. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, like and comment and subscribe to our channel Fabric by Singhania. If you want to shop online, you can visit us at fabricbysinghanias.com. And if you want to know any more about our customizations, you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1.